ChatGPT, revolutionizing IT network engineering. 1. Expertise and experience. Network engineers possess in-depth knowledge and expertise in designing, implementing, and managing complex networks. They have a deep understanding of networking protocols, routing and switching technologies, network security, and performance optimization. This knowledge comes from years of practical experience and exposure to various network scenarios. Network engineers continuously update their skills to stay abreast of evolving technologies and industry best practices. AI models like ChatGPT rely on pre-existing data and may not have the same level of practical experience or nuanced understanding of network engineering principles. 2. Problem solving and adaptability. Network engineers are skilled at identifying and resolving network issues in real time. They can quickly diagnose problems, analyze network performance metrics, and apply their knowledge to implement effective solutions. They possess critical thinking skills and adaptability to handle unforeseen network challenges. Network engineers understand the interdependencies and complexities of network systems, enabling them to troubleshoot and optimize network performance. AI models, while capable of providing suggestions and recommendations based on existing data, may not possess the same level of problem-solving capability or adaptability to handle complex network issues that require on-the-spot decision-making. 3. Hands-on configuration and maintenance. Network engineers are responsible for configuring network devices, such as routers, switches, firewalls, and load balancers. They have hands-on experience in deploying and managing network infrastructure, performing firmware updates, troubleshooting hardware failures, and ensuring proper maintenance. Network engineers understand the intricacies of different network devices, their configurations, and interoperability. AI models, on the other hand, cannot physically access network devices or perform these operational tasks, limiting their ability to fully replace network engineers in managing and maintaining network infrastructure. 4. Communication and collaboration. Network engineers often work closely with clients, colleagues, and other IT professionals. They need strong communication and collaboration skills to gather requirements, provide technical guidance, and work effectively in teams. Network engineers engage in dynamic conversations, actively listen to client needs, and translate them into network designs and configurations. They play a vital role in bridging the gap between technical aspects and business objectives. While AI models can provide information and answer questions, they lack the interpersonal skills and human interaction required for effective communication and collaboration. 5. Security and risk management. Network engineers play a crucial role in ensuring network security and mitigating risks. They are well-versed in security protocols, access control mechanisms, encryption standards, and threat mitigation strategies. Network engineers stay up to date with the latest cybersecurity threats and vulnerabilities, implementing appropriate security measures to protect the network infrastructure. They understand the complexities of network security, including intrusion detection, firewall configurations, VPN setups, and secure remote access. AI models may not possess the same level of expertise in cybersecurity or have real-time awareness of emerging threats, making it challenging to rely solely on AI for comprehensive network security management. AI can undoubtedly assist network engineers by automating repetitive tasks, providing information and recommendations, or aiding in network monitoring and analysis. It can help with tasks like log analysis, anomaly detection, or initial configuration generation. AI-driven network management systems can assist in network optimization and predictive maintenance. However, the expertise, experience, problem-solving skills, hands-on configuration abilities, communication skills, and security knowledge of network engineers are essential in managing complex network environments effectively. The human element remains crucial in addressing unique challenges, making critical decisions, and ensuring the reliability, performance, and security of networks. Network engineers are vital for driving innovation, adapting to evolving technologies, and ensuring the seamless functioning of networks in various organizations and industries.